Welcome back, YouTube. It's your girl Chantelly Lace coming at you with another video, and today's video is going to be a little different. It is a nail video. I have picked up some nail tips from Enailcouture, some jelly nail tips, and you guys wanted to see me do my nails with them. So here are the tips that I will be using. I also have my nail light, I have my flash curing light, and I also have my nail tip cutters, and a buffer and a filer. I also have my top coat from Sierra Sky. And I have my base gel coat from Enailcouture that I will be using. And I have my nail primer that I will be using as well today. And my nail dehydrator. I also have my cuticle oil, which came in one of my BoxyCharm boxes. And I have these LV stickers, some gems, and some colorful butterflies. And also some glitter from Sierra Sky. I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing, that's why I got all these items, but yes. So let's get started. So I have my tips already sized out, and I have my clear ones for my accent nails on my nail stand, and we're gonna begin designing these. So yeah, so I got my butterflies and my glitter that I will be using. That's what I decided on. But first I'm going to take my base coat from Beauties and go on and get that onto my nails. I am sorry I'm off frame, you guys. I am new to doing nail videos. I promise I will get better, but I'm just putting the base coat gel on. So now I'm going to open my butterflies, especially the ones that I want to use anyway. And I'm going to take my dotting tool, and I'm just putting some base coat gel on there at the end of my dotting tool, and I'm going to grab some butterflies and place them on my nails where I desire. So now that I got my butterflies on and I got them placed where I want to, I'm going to take my Sierra Sky glitter, and I'm going to take my cuticle pusher tool, and I'm going to take some of my glitter and sprinkle it where I would like it on the nail. Super easy. It's gonna get messy, that's why I'm doing it inside the top, but it's super easy, and I'm just pushing down that glitter to make sure it's nice and flat. So see, here goes my accent nail. I'm just having glitter at the top, and it's going to be clear at the bottom. And I'm just taking my finger and picking up any glitter from the cap and putting it anywhere that I feel that needs a little extra glitter. So now that I got all of those done, I'm just going to put them in my lamp so they can cure for 60 seconds. And let that do its thing and clean up my mess. So now that's done. All we need to do, I'm just checking them, but now we're just going to top coat them with my Kiara Sky top coat. I put those back into my light to cure for 60 seconds. Try to clean up my area a little bit. And here we go, we're about to get started. My nails are already prepped, cleaned and everything. And I have my tips. So we're gonna go on and get started, and I'm gonna use my nail dehydrator first. Sorry, I had to turn off my other light. It was just bothering me for some reason. But yep, so I'm putting mine on my nail dehydrator. I'm just gonna put that on all my fingers. So that way I can get all of that excess oil and everything and get our nails ready. Alright, so here are our accent nails. They're all done, they're ready, nice and smooth to the touch. So just gonna set those to the side. And I'm going to take my nail primer and go on and put some primer all over my nails. So my tips are all now nice and cut. Sorry about that. And we're gonna go on and get ready and get started with getting these nails on. So I'm going to take my base gel from Enailcouture, and I'm going to put that on my fingernails on each one, and I'm gonna do a nice size amount on each nail, so that way it has something really nice to stick to, and it gives me an extra barrier between my nail, my natural nail, and the gel press on, or the gel full cover tip. Sorry. Okay, so now I'm just gonna let that cure for 60 seconds. I believe it's 30 seconds, but I just kept hitting the 60 button. Okay, and let that cure and do its thing. I did get a heat spike, so I had to, like, you see me holding my hand. So just FYI. All right, so that's all nice and done and cured. So we're gonna get started, and we're gonna start with our thumbnail. So I'm gonna get my flash curing lamp ready, and I'm gonna put it in my mouth because it's the easiest way for me to do it. And we're gonna take the base gel from Enailcouture, and what you want to do is you want to put some at the bottom of your nail tip, where your natural nail will meet the gel full cover tip. So I'm just putting some base gel there. Sorry, I'm out of frame. But now you want to put this on your nail at an angle, and you're going to hold it in place and put it immediately under the curing light so it can flash cure. So a flash cure means that it's just going to cure for a few seconds so you can move on, and then you can do a full cure later. But as you see, I'm just holding my nail, I have the lamp in my mouth, and I'm just kind of rotating to make sure I get all the sides. yeah, so you can't really do this with your normal lamp. Gave me issues. I seen other people do it, but I couldn't do it. But there we go. We have the nail on, and it's on there. A little bit did come out on the side, so I'm just getting that up with my dotting tool. But I got the nail on there, and I'm pleased with it. So we're gonna start on the next nail, but I'm gonna get the light ready again. And take the nail and just put some face gel in there from Enailcouture again. Alright, and now we're just going to put that on. And we're going to hold it there. And I'm flash curing at the same time. I try to make sure I stayed in frame because I noticed I was out of frame the first time. So, trying to get better, you guys. Alright, and that one's on there. And now I'm just flash curing kind of underneath too because I see a little spillage. Just making sure that it's on there, okay? That one is on there. Just trying to show y'all, but it was out of frame again. So I'm just gonna finish and let y'all watch, and yeah. Alright, so I got my nails on and I went on and did my other hand off camera, and this is what they're looking like. But now all we need to do is put on the top coat. That's the last step, and I'm using my Kira Sky, of course. So we're going to top coat these bad boys. So they can be nice and shiny, smooth. And I like these full cover tips that, you know, have like color already to them, because you literally just pop them on and you're good to go. Kind of like a press on. All right, and I'm just going to cure that for 60 seconds. So beautiful. And they're nice and smooth to the touch. There's no white top coat. Just look how gorgeous. Love it. Came out great. All right, so I'm gonna just do my other hand. All right, so both of my hands are done. Look how gorgeous. So now all we got to do is put our cuticle oil on, and I just love this cuticle oil. It smells so good, and it is like so big. It is going to last me a nice long time. But yes, get that cuticle oil on so our cuticles look nice and not all ashy and white, and we look nice and moisturized. Okay. Just do my other hand. But that's all I have for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see more nail videos. I can do more, and I promise to get better with my angles. But look how gorgeous these nails came out. Oh my gosh, I'm just loving them. Gorgeous. So yeah, just let me know if you want any more videos, and I will get those done. But until next time, stay fly and shine. Bye, you guys.